For more on this story, let's now cross live to Cape Town, where Jane Flanagan is standing by for France 24. Jane, thank you for being with us. The judgment is particularly damning, not just for Pistorius, but also for the judge on this case. Can you talk us through it?
Absolutely. It's a 12-page document that was handed out to journalists in the court, and the judge, spares no mercy for Oscar Pistorius. He says that Pistorius failed to be frank with the court over what happened on the night that Reba Kent died. He also found that Oscar Pistorius had not shown remorse for taking his lover's life. It was a very hard-hitting tone to the report, which said that Oscar Pistorius had a number of occasions in which to take the court into his confidence, but had failed to do so, and had failed to give a convincing account of the night she died. And at the same time, because he had failed to be brutally honest about his motivations and the timeline and what they perceived to be confusing versions of events, that as a result, Pistorius' attempt to apologize to the family had failed to demonstrate any genuine remorse on his part, because you can't apologize for something that you have yet to explain. They also found that Judge Masika, who has now had 2 of her judgments overturned in this court, found that she had trivialized the serious offense by handing down a shockingly lenient sentence of 6 years for murder. In South Africa, the statutory minimum for murder is 15 years. This is what the state had appealed for, and today the appeal court agreed and gave Oscar Pistorius 15 years, taking off the time he's already served. So he now the tariff at the moment stands at 13 years and 5 months.
Jane, how will this sentence change life behind bars for Oscar Pistorius?
Well, Oscar Pistorius served a year when he was found guilty of manslaughter at the Mampisi court and jail in Pretoria, for being overcrowded, for the gang culture that exists there. During his time there, he confided to his family that he felt his life was in danger, and on many occasions he used to eat the food there. Following his 6-year sentence for murder, he applied to be moved to a much more relaxed facility a few miles away at Atteridgeville, where the maximum length of time that an inmate can be allowed to live there is 6 years. So now he has been given this much, much longer sentence. He will be forced to leave Atteridgeville Correctional Facility, where he's been working in the gardens and the orchards, and return to the Kogosi Mampuru jail, which he absolutely will regret. No doubt about it. This has been a bad result for the family, far worse, I think, than they ever expected.
Thank you for that update, Jane Flanagan reporting for France 24 from Cape Town.